Hello friends, many of you have noticed that whenever we visit a nursery, the plants there look so fresh, healthy and full of flowers and fruits. But when we bring those same plants home, they somehow don't grow as beautifully. Have you ever wondered the secret behind this is? Today I am going to share with you the special therapy that nurseries use to keep their plants so vibrant. In today's video, I will not only explain to you in detail about the types of organic mixtures and liquid fertilizer that are commonly used in nurseries, but I will also show you practically how to apply them to your own plants. This way, you can understand the entire process step by step and start seeing the results in your home garden as well. So stay tuned because by the end of this video you will know exactly how to give your plants the same special care that nurseries do and enjoy a garden full of fresh leaves, colorful flowers and even healthy fruits. Today I am going to tell you about Lupna Green Garden Vermi Compost, which is a 100% organic manure. This compost is made naturally by earthworms from organic kitchen waste, cow dung and plant residues. So it is completely chemical free and very safe for all kinds of plants. The price is quite affordable, just only 100 rupees, and it is easily available in local nurseries, gardening shop and even in online markets like Amazon, Flipkart and Meesho. Now let's talk about how to use it. For flower plants, you can give around 250 gram twice in a week. For vegetables plant, 500 gram twice in a week. And for fruit plants, around 500 gram twice in a week as well. It should be applied regularly during the growing season for best results. The method is very simple, just loosen the topsoil of the pot, spread the compost evenly around the base of the plant and then water lightly so that the nutrients mix well with the soil. This vermicompost improves soil fertility, increases flowering, boosts vegetable and fruit production and keeps plants healthy in a natural way. So, if you want your plants to stay green, healthy and full of blooms, Lupna Green Garden Vermicompost is a must-have for your garden. Friends, now let me introduce you to another very useful gardening product, Lupna Green Garden CocoPeat. CocoPeat is a completely organic and eco-friendly growing media made from the fiber husk of coconuts. It is lightweight, spongy in texture and has an excellent water holding capacity. That means it keeps your soil moist for a long time, improves aeration and also enhances root growth. The price of this CocoPeat is very reasonable, about 110 rupees per kilo pack. And you can easily find it in local nurseries, garden shops and also in online stores. It is suitable for all types of plants including flowers, vegetables, fruits, indoor plants and even seedlings. According to the chart given on the packet, you can mix around 200 to 500 grams depending on the plant size, usually once or twice a week along with soil or compost. To use CocoPeat, you can either mix it with normal garden soil and vermicompost in a 1:1:1 ratio or directly use it for seed germination since it keeps the seedling soft and moist. It's especially helpful for potted plants and rooftop gardens where soil tends to dry out quickly. So if you want to keep your plants healthy with proper aeration, moisture and nutrient absorption, Lupna Green Garden CocoPeat is one of the best natural solutions you can add to your garden routinely. So Lupna Green Garden CocoPeat is an organic, eco-friendly soil booster that keeps the soil moist and improves root growth. It's perfect for all plants, easy to use and available at an affordable price. Now let's talk about Bio-NPK liquid fertilizer, a powerful organic solution for plant growth. This fertilizer is made with natural bio extracts that provide the three most essential nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in liquid form. Nitrogen helps plant grow greener and healthier. Phosphorus supports strong roots and better flowering, and potassium boosts fruiting and overall resistance to disease. The price of bio NPK is quite reasonable and it is easily available in nurseries, agro shops, and online markets. It can be used for all types of plants, vegetables, fruits, flowering plants, indoor plants, and even big trees. For usage, dilute about 3 to 5 ml of bio NPK liquid in 1 liter of water and apply it either by spraying on leaves or by giving directly to the soil near the roots. This can be done once every 7 to 10 days for the best results. The best part is that it is safe, eco-friendly, and gives quick visible effects, more flowers, bigger fruits, and healthier plant. So if you want fast and balanced growth for your plants, Bio NPK liquid fertilizer is a perfect addition. Next, I am going to tell you about gourd neem, a natural and organic plant protection product. This is made from neem seed extracts, which contain natural insecticidal and antifungal properties. The price of this bottle is around 149 for 100 ml, and it is easily available in local agriculture shops, gardening stores, and even online marketplace. Gourd neem is very effective for vegetables, fruits, flowers, and even ornamental plants. The dosage is usually 2 ml per liter of water and it should be sprayed on the plants once every 7 to 10 days for best results. You can use it during the early morning or late evening to avoid direct sunlight. The method is very simple, just mix the recommended amount in water and spray evenly on the leaves and stems of the plants. Regular use of gourd neem helps in controlling harmful insects and fungal infections while keeping your garden completely safe and chemical free. Now let's talk about Neem Rich, an organic fertilizer made from neem-based products. It comes in a 500 gram packet and the price is around 149 only. You can easily get it in local agricultural shops, garden centers, or even online stores. Neem Rich is very beneficial for vegetables, flowers, fruits, and almost all kind of plants. It improves soil fertility, controls harmful pests naturally, and also protects the plant from fungal infections. The usage is very simple, just mix it with the soil during potting or sprinkle around the base of the plants. Then water properly. You can apply it every 15 to 20 days for best results. Regular use of Neem Rich ensures strong root growth, healthy leaves, and chemical-free harvest for your garden. Now let's talk about Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate, which is truly called your garden's best friend. The packet contains 500 gram and the price is around 260. You can find it easily in agriculture shops, nurseries, or online stores. Epsom salt is very useful for almost all plants, especially vegetables, fruit trees, and flowering plants. It provides essential magnesium and sulfur, which improves chlorophyll production, boost photosynthesis, and make plants greener and healthier. It also helps in better flowering and fruiting. For usage, you can mix about 1 to 2 teaspoons in 1 liter of water and spray on the leaves, or dissolve it in water and apply directly to the soil around the roots. It can be applied once every 15 to 20 days. Regular use of Epsom salt prevents yellowing of leaves, strengthens plant growth, and ensures beautiful flowers and better yields. So friends, if you want healthy, green and high-yielding plants, Epsom salt is a must-have for your garden. Try it once and you will definitely see the difference in your plants within a few. Now let's see rose mist, a special fertilizer made specially for rose plants. This packet is 500 grams and the price is around 85 only. You can easily find it in local gardening shops or agriculture stores. Rose mist is very effective in giving roses bigger, brighter and more colorful flowers. It contains nutrients that help in healthy root growth, more buds and long-lasting blooms. The method of use is very simple. Just take 1 to 2 teaspoons of rose mix and mix it with the soil near the base of the plant. Then water well. You can use it once every 15 to 20 days for best results. Regular use makes the plant stronger and ensures continuous flowering throughout the season. So friends, if you love growing roses and want more beautiful flowers in your garden, rose mix is the perfect choice for you. Try it and your roses will thank you with stunning blooms. Now let's talk about Start 20, an effective systemic insecticide that contains acetamiprid 20% SP. This packet comes in 100 grams and the price is around 220 to 250 depending on the shop. You can easily get it in agriculture stores or online marketplaces. Start 20 is specially used to control harmful sucking pests like aphids, jessids, whiteflies and thrips, which are very common in vegetables, fruits, cotton and many other crops. The method of use is quite simple. Take about 0.5 gram to 1 gram per liter of water, mix well and spray evenly on the affected plants. It should be applied during early morning or evening for best results. Once sprayed, the insecticide gets absorbed into the plant system and protects it from pest attack for several days. So friends, if you are struggling with sucking pests in your plants, Start 20 is a very reliable solution. With proper use, it keeps your crops safe, healthy and pest free for a longer time. Now let's see King Agri Spray, a ready-to-use garden spray that helps protect plants from common pests and diseases. It is available in different sizes and the price is quite affordable, usually around 150 to 200 depending on the pack. You can easily get it in gardening shops or online. The best part is that it is easy to use. Just fill it in a sprayer and apply directly on the leaves and stems of plants. It works well on vegetables, flowers and fruit plants, keeping them fresh, green and healthy. So friends, if you want a quick and simple solution for garden care, King Agri Spray is a very handy product. So friends, that was all about today's topic. I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know in this comment how you liked it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay connected for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.